holiday.
Okay.
And when did you?
Actually, I had planned to go the last year, but it was the you know coronavirus.
Yeah.
That's I can say.
Okay.
I don't know when I can go because
Oh,
it
that's
is
right.
it's still now COVID-19 situation is very difficult to moving. But my parents is waiting for me.
Oh, you must miss them.
Yeah, of course, definitely.
You will, you will like go back for your sister's wedding, right?
I want to be attend, but difficult.
Oh, difficult? She's
Yeah.
going to marry soon.
Yeah,
Oh,
I hope so.
okay.
But maybe I cannot join.
Oh no. I hope you can.
Yeah, but I'm not worried about this. Yeah.
你看他跟个雕塑一样。See you. See you. 你看人家猫猫。你看，你看它拿着尾巴把自己脚，
Sorry.
可以。Do you have any pets in your home in Bangladesh?
Yeah, cat.
A cat? How many?
I had two.
2 cats?
Yeah,
Do you
but-
have photos?
No.
Okay.
Still, it had before, but they're passed away.
Yeah, yeah.
So after that, I had I like to bird, but after coming Japan, I also tried to buy some bird.
Yeah.
Maybe as soon I will buy some bird.
Birds?
Yeah, bird.
Like
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Where can you buy that?
Maybe in the
Izumo?
no, you can buy from I don't know exactly place, but you can buy.
But there are birds like just outside, right?
No,
Trees.
it is not that kind of birds. Yeah,
Like the cute, like
Yeah,
yellow
cute
or
birds, yeah.
parrot.
Colorful birds.
Oh. Oh, you will buy birds? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I like. So when I was a child, that time I had two birds, bird and nest. So I was cute this kind of bird. So it's very cute. Actually.
Wow, there will be birds here.
Yeah, I want.
But the cat will catch the bird. They will
Yeah,
go after the bird.
that is the problem. That is something dangerous, but we can make a friend
Oh yeah.
with them,
Yeah.
and then they will not. They will the friend. They will
No,
not
no, no！
Yeah.
不要舔脚。
小猫咪。
What kind of part-time are you doing?
I quit.
You quit?
Yeah. I was in a hotel serving breakfast,
Okay.
but it's so tiring. It's because I'm
You got
like,
any? You got any part scholarship?
no, I don't yet. I'm applying for it.
Okay.
Because like I just got money from my parents. I said,
So you-
please, I'm poor something.
No,
Daddy,
you're the only one who
Yeah, one more
cares for
time,
your
yeah.
parents, so no problem. Yeah, first of all, when I came in Japan, that time my parents sent me money for me. But now I got the scholarship and
Yeah, oh, so good.
yeah, I'm doing little bit part-time in a week, one day. Relax.
Is it a good one? Do you like it?
Huh?
Your part-time job.
I'm doing in community center
Oh,
part-time in Family Mart.
internal what?
Yeah.
Internal school?
Huh?
Which one?
Maybe you don't know. It is near the Gapin Milan, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Gapin
we
Milan.
don't. Okay.
I'm doing part-time in Gapin Milan Family Mart.
So you have to speak Japanese here.
Mama. So that's for, you can say that's for conversation with the Sama,
Uh-huh.
Tutelake, and Rizzi.
Keigo doka.
Kingo.
Keigo. Like to the elderly and to ogasan. You need to speak really like not some people.
Actually, honestly talking, it no need a lot of language.
Oh, yeah.
Just if you can work in the handwork, like counting the
Okay.
music,
Yeah.
then okay.
Oh.
It's not need the
Not
talking.
that kind of difficult.
Actually, there are nothing special to talk with the customer.
Oh, yeah.
Just some of the word when the customer can come to entering the shamashe,
Yeah.
and when they go out, arigato gozaimasu.
Oh.
And when it is the money and counting, that time some word
Uh-huh.
like how much, this is how much, this is you give me how much, I beg you how much, that is only. Very simple.
Actually, was doing the part-time job in the Hokkaido sushi.
Okay, oh yeah.
Yeah. But like the restaurant is closed now to do some renovation. Yeah.
I think his English is good maybe.
Yeah, she can speak.
Yeah, but why she don't speak English?
Happily.
Yeah.
Happily is busy playing with the cat.
Yeah.
She like Chinese students, they can listen and like read, but they are shy to speak or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
How about the Chinese girl? Actually, I have I have never experienced to talk with the Chinese girl. Maybe first of all, I'm talking with you.
Oh, Chinese students?
Chinese, yeah,
But you know
long
Zhang
time.
Hongyu, right? You know Zhang Hongyu, the Chinese boy. You just
Yeah, no,
What about him?
I'm talking about girl.
Okay, girl.
So maybe first time I'm talking with the Chinese girl.
Okay.
It's long time.
Okay.
That's why I have no any experience to talk.
You don't know how Chinese girls talk
Yeah,
and speak English.
I don't know how their behavior, how.
Maybe I'm like 10 level higher than them because I speak English for 20 years.
Okay.
And and I practice a lot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Because I like English and like Western classical music and
Yeah.
Western dramas and movies. So, but they maybe started English since 13 years old, like in middle school. But I started my English in my kindergarten.
Kindergarten,
So
okay.
it's like my second language. Even I haven't been to UK or America.
Oh, really?
I haven't
Oh,
been.
haven't been here.
I haven't been here. But when I started to learn, I learned the British English, and then in school I learned American English.
Okay. No. Good. So, actually, how about what is the difference between the Japanese girl and Chinese girl?
Garden.
Japanese
Girls?
girls, yeah, and
What do you mean?
Chinese girls. That means they're. I'm talking about the overall their expression is their character and their like everything is how the similar with the Japanese girl, the Chinese girl.
Maybe we can like say the difference between Japanese people and Chinese people. Maybe that's what.
I'm talking about the only girl.
Girls.
Yeah.
I think I feel. In my opinion, the difference is between Japanese and Chinese. I don't know.
It is quite different.
Yeah. quite different.
Quite different, almost different.
Yeah.
Um,
Japanese love to stay quiet when they are in group. When there are a lot of people here,
Mhm.
right? The Chinese people love to talk a lot.
oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they laugh like us yesterday. We are so like we love to laugh out loud and speak loud.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. That is the similar with the.
Express
Yeah, that is the
opinions.
similar with the Bangladeshi.
Oh really?
Yeah, well, it's the same too.
But like Japanese people, they don't want to speak their own opinion.
Yeah. So in Japanese people, you can say the introvert guys. So everything is the hiding in their inside, so they don't want to express everything. So you can say something shy. You can say like introvert type.
Yeah.
The Chinese girl is not introvert.
Some of them, there are lots
Extrovert.
of.
Extrovert type.
There are lots of.
Different religion, different type.
Yeah.
The maximum type.
Maximum or extra?
Like you.
Yeah.
So this means maximum the Chinese girls like you.
I think so.
Wow.
I think so.
That's mean the frequent. Yeah, that means that we can say it's similar with Bangladesh. Right? Yeah, Bangladesh girls also they are like to louting and smiling and express everything. Yeah.
But it takes strength and I need to be brave or something.
Yeah.
Do you think Hathaway is shy? Do you think
Yeah,
so?
I think so.
Yes, you are shy. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think
No.
she's shy? No.
I don't think so. She's shy,
Uh-huh.
but now she's busy with the dress on the side.
Okay.
But she's talking not too much.
Yeah. But yesterday we talked a lot, right?
Yeah. Hatsoi. Hatsoi. This is the English name, right? Hatsoi.
Hathaway,
Yeah.
It is Chinese name?
yeah.
Chinese name
Chinese name is
Wang.
Oh, Wang.
Yeah.
Wang. Wang meaning king.
yeah.
Yeah, I had one Chinese friend in boy. His name was Wang.
Here?
He left from university. He also finished his master's school in Shah University, but he left. His name was the Wang.
What is he doing? Oh, his name. He left his university.
Yeah. Maybe now he living in the Ishikawa.
Oh, Ishikawa. Okay.
Maybe. Wang. It's king.
Yeah.
It is the family name?
Yeah.
That's a family.
Okay.
And your family name is the
Hosai.
Hosai. I also noticed that there's another boy called Hosai.
Yeah, in Bangladesh, a lot of people they use the
Oh,
Hosai.
it's like a big family.
No, actually, Hosai is not like the family name, it is the religious name.
Oh.
Hosai and Muhammad.
Uh-huh.
Do you know Muhammad?
Yeah, I know some friend called Muhammad.
Yeah, it's Muhammad is the prophet of the Muslim.
Oh.
So in the Muslim people, they use the Muhammad,
Yeah.
the respect his Muslim prophet,
Uh-huh.
and the Hussein is the Muhammad, his nephew.
Oh, nephew.
Yeah, his name is the Hussein.
Oh.
So that's why people also they use the Hussein as a nephew, respect to the Muhammad's nephew.
Oh.
So that also, someone also said the Hussein is the family name, as family name. It is a person name, but now we are used as family name. Yeah.
Do you call each other cousins? No. Like when you meet each other, do you call them, hey cousin or something? Nephew, no, not nephew, cousin.
A cousin?
Cousin, yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
No. Wow.
Wow!
すごい
You're getting so well.
he's become friends,
Yeah,
becoming friends
yeah.
because he brings a lot of foods.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's why. Yeah.
再见。
Very good.
So you are Muslim, right?
Yeah.
I'm Christian.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
In China, how many percent is Christian?
I became Christian in Japan actually when I was in Tokyo. Yeah. Not in China.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my
How
parents
about
are
your
not.
parents?
They are not. They are not.
Your parents is
They are
don't like
Buddhism.
Buddhism,
Yeah,
but you change your religion. It's
Yeah,
okay. It is accept your parents.
yeah. I talked to them and they asked me why, and I talked to them.
Why you
Explained
change your?
because I can become more stronger and I find power. I find love from God.
So,
I got love from God.
okay. So,
And I have my best friend in Tokyo. She's a Christian and she took me to her church like several times, and I like their church. So I joined that
what?
church.
How you the
Change?
um,
No change.
yeah. So how did the change your mind?
We get like she helped me a lot, and church and the pastors helped me a lot.
Why you love the Christianity?
Why I love to be because when I have problems like inside mental or something, when I cannot find my goal for my life or something, I find I always find answer there and I can get stronger. Do research. I like us we paint a lot of paint like CAD CAD, AutoCAD painting,
Oh,
like
you
the
me?
like the architecture plan. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, we can do that a lot and write our papers.
Okay.
Read a lot of papers and write our papers.
Okay. So you read the Japanese paper?
Yeah, Japanese papers. Both of us do research in Japanese.
Okay. And how long you were staying in the office time?
This time, usually I go there at 9 and then to 10, I mean in the evening.
10 to
Yeah,
9 or 10? Okay.
9 a.m. to 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Why not? Why not? I have to study hard.
Yeah, that's okay. But time at 9 to 10.
Yeah, I have to do work. What about yours?
No, actually, when I was a master's student, that time I also studied at 9 to sometime the whole night, around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I study. But now, sometimes I stay in lab at 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
But roughly 6 o'clock.
For supper for dinner, right?
Yeah.
We just like go out or go home, go to the dorm for dinner, and then go back.
So, how about you make yourself?
Myself,
Yeah, food.
food like go out for lunch or bring lunch or go to the canteen in school or go to the in front of school.
So your lunch and dinner you doing outside or
Yeah.
every day outside?
You mean dinner and lunch?
Lunch, breakfast and dinner. What you doing?
Breakfast like at home.
Okay.
And lunch usually outside. Kia or something.
Okay.
Yeah, fish like roasted. 他会那样踏两只脚，然后突然的哈。他刚刚还在拽我这个绳子呢，然后又从容的走开了。
What language are you prefer for? Okay.
For talking,
Japanese, Chinese, English.
whenever it's useful, it's okay. Yeah.
Of course, Chinese. English.
No, maybe not.
Really?
I actually prefer English. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
本当に
Because like my thinking
Yeah.
in thinking language is English actually.
Oh, because
Yeah,
you,
the
you
language in
learned
my
the
mind.
English from your childhood.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I like during my free time, the news or the movies and TV dramas are always English.
Wow.
And speeches, I watch a lot of documentaries of speeches. And
Wow.
actually, like, I talk to halfway in Chinese, and I talk to my friends in Chinese, like my friends who. I like to speak.
How many languages can you speak?
Just the three of them.
Three. Oh, okay.
あなたよりもっとすごい秘境に住んでいる人知りませんか？
ずっと登ると、ご褒美っていう種が書いてます。鈴の宝の木って書くんですけど、去年のこととしたら、一人住む人がいるんだよっていう話は聞いたことあるんですけど、でも実際に行ったことないので分からない。
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak
A lot,
basically.
maybe. Yeah, like India. Or,
You can say it's two languages are okay. English and my mother tongue, Bengali is okay. But I understand the Indian language Hindi. I understand. And I can read and write the Arabic.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I also understand the Nepali language.
Uh-huh.
And Urdu also I understand.
Urdu.
Yeah, Urdu, yeah.
Sounds so
Yeah, I
good.
can say,
Yeah,
yeah, some of language I,
you understand.
yeah.
That's a lot, oh my gosh.
No, basically, and Japanese, you can say just something, just listening, okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Japanese, yeah. I'm learning Japanese. Was it good to do?
難しいな。
有名俳優が石川県の田舎町に
つばに行ったりとか、ネットの発展したつば予告みたいなのが届いて、
殺害予告が
我刚刚在原地跳了一下。
Who's your like best friend here? Who is?
In Japan?
Yeah. In Matsue, in Japan?
I have a lot of friends.
Like best friend, like you talk everything to him or her. Is it not like Hashimoto-san, right?
I think so. We are live the same room.
Uh-huh. You're roommates, but
Yeah,
it doesn't
he's-
means you're best friends.
Actually, we are still together and as nights. So that sometimes we talk something about.
Uh-huh.
That is, yeah, he's my very good friend.
Okay.
But I have some of the very close friends.
Yeah.
I cannot distinguish who is my best.
Okay.
Seems to me everyone is my best friend.
Okay.
I did not any ranking like who is the top, second, third. Yeah, some of is my very close. I like to gather with them.
全以来の商品開発にこだわりを持っています。記憶判断の向上に役立つこのイチョウ科も栽培時に農薬不使用で育てたイチョウの葉から成分を抽出しています。
I just find out that some of my friends they don't see me as like true friend or something. They betray me or something. It's hard for me.
She is your close.
She's my
Best friend.
best friend.
And in your country, who is your best friend?
In my country, she's my best friend. But actually, in Japan, she's not my best friend. My best friend is a girl called.
Who is your best friend?
It's a girl from Indonesia, but she graduated.
Not
From,
Indonesian.
yeah,
What
but
is
she
it?
works in Tokyo. She graduated from USA, America. So we speak.
She is Muslim.
Yeah, she's Christian.
She's also Christian.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. So she is your best friend.
in Japan.
Oh.
Hathaway is my best friend, like for 7 years. But in Japan,
How about your cousin?
cousin,
Cousin? Do you have any
I
cousin?
have cousin. they are in China, so and they got married. We don't have actually a lot to talk about. Yeah.
Basically, how old they get married? Chinese people.
They usually these days like 25 years old. About like after
girls-
graduated from
girls and boys?
university. Yeah.
Girls?
Girls and boys, how old do they get married? 20, 30, 20. 很不一样，对吧？ It really depends on the
About it is
like in their 20s maybe and in their 30s.
30.
Like when they are 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 30.
Oh, so it is the up to
Up to
30.
Yeah.
Up to 30, okay. And girl is basically 20 to 25.
No, girls also get married like after 32.
Oh, really?
Yeah, why not? Because they
So
get
how are they
richer.
in
Because in China, like girls have to work. Everyone has to work.
Yeah. So men and women,
Yeah,
both working.
yeah.
So this means is variation to men and women, same as marriage or men and women there is variation.
You mean by law or something?
Yeah.
By law? 法定是多少？
20.
20 要搜一下吗？
21 or 22.
How old so men, how old and women, how old they get married usually?
21.
How old the variation?
22.
No, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years. 10 years, very.
Oh, okay. So men are allowed to get married from 22 years old. The girls are from 20.
Oh, girls is the 20.
Yeah, men are
Men is
22.
22.
Yeah.
Oh, so basically they get married same age. Okay. But in Bangladesh is the 5 years basically gap.
Oh, 5 years gap.
Yeah, so
Okay.
girl is 18 and man is 23. Is the marital age.
Oh,
And sometimes girl is
really?
yeah 25 and man is the 30.
But there are a lot of like misogyny, like teenagers got married.
No, teenager is not married. So is the lowest the minimum marriage age is the 18.
18 years.
Yeah.
They're more like
Yeah.
even before they are born, their parents can get them a fiance or something.
No.
No,
That was
I'm
the
sorry.
traditional.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
it
so
was-
sorry.
No.
Sorry.
It's okay. No. That is true, but it was the traditional system. So
Okay.
suppose the two close friends,
Uh-huh.
so they are committed. So if my born is the girl and if my boy, we get
Oh,
married.
I see.
That is just funny.
Not by law.
Not that, yeah. It is-
I'm
it
sorry.
is provision.
Okay.
Yeah.
何やられたんですか？これ、ワラブなんですけども、ちょっとこう白くなったところが硬いもので
Is Tsuyu-chan like more active during the night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So active.
Yeah.
That
What
night
about
is
your-
so active.
So active.
Sometimes he disturbs for sleeping.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm boring something.
you're bored.
Yeah.
Do you like petting him? Like
Mm.
cuddle him or something? Oh my gosh.
これらを直売所に卸し生活費の一部にしているそうです。作業が一段落し、家の中へ。
你今天做了好多这种举手运动。
おい、じいさん。
嗯？
お
他做了好多抬头运动。
ちょっとお昼や。うちのじいさまです。こんにちは。
他怎么喜欢回人袜子？
他舔刚舔袜子。
お二人だって聞いてたんですけど、お二人じゃなかったですね。
そうですね。今は仕事13
I read the forecast. It's going to rain all these days. It's raining these days.
Today?
Yeah.
No, it's not raining.
Yeah, it's not raining.
Yeah.
Like it's raining for
Oh, tomorrow, yeah.
yeah.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow and weekend
Yeah, this,
next week.
yeah, almost, but it is showing now.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is updated because the forecasting is not similar as always. It is changing. It's not say it's basically
Yeah.
every hour is changing.
Yeah, every hour is changing. It's by the sea.
Yeah, the coastal area.
Like the weather in my hometown in Yangzhou is really similar.
Yeah. So also your hometown is the coastal area.
It's like almost the same.
Mm-hmm.
Not coastal.
Near the coastal.
Not near the coast.
How far the coast?
Like 3 hours drive from Shanghai. Shanghai is near
3
coast.
hours?
Yeah, 3 hours.
Yeah, that's yeah. So it is.
3 hours drive by car.
Yeah, that's in 3 hours. Okay, that's 100 kilometers, like
Yeah.
yeah, 100 kilometers is you can say the near the coastal area. That's why in coastal area always the weather is changing.
Okay.
It is unstable weather. Yeah.
What is the temperature now in your hometown? Is it hot?
No, it's getting cold.
Oh, getting cold. Okay.
Now its temperature is very suitable.
Uh-huh.
22, 34.
Oh, that is nice. You have been in Matsue for several years, right?
3 years.
3 years. You are like familiar to the coldness here, the winter here.
Yeah, and I almost adapt.
Okay.
I'm used to.
Okay.
So you much 1 year?
Me? 1.5.
1.5.
1.5.
So, oh, that's mean you will be graduated next year.
Yeah,
Masters?
next year, autumn.
Or next year autumn.
Yeah, before I enter the,
Together?
she will graduate in March. I had a
Next year, no.
no, just next week. She's like half a year earlier than me because I took like
He's
the.
earlier than you?
She's earlier than me. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I took half a year of the other courses like
That's mean
coding subject, like
as a researcher.
yeah.
Okay, I understand. So he's a 6 month earlier than you. So she will be graduated April, you will be the October.
Yeah.
Okay. She want to do the PhD
Yeah.
after finish graduation.
Hey, has the way doctor PhD?
No,
You want to come back in your country or you want to do job in
Yeah.
Japan?
come back.
Go back to
China.
I thought you want to go back to China because you want to get married soon.
No,
Really, you want to get married soon?
no,
But she changed her mind. She don't want to get married. She doesn't want to
Yeah.
get married anymore.
How about in China to get married? It is arranged marriage or like family arranged or love marriage? Please. What is the most?
The most themselves, I think, or their parents. Like our parents will force us to get married. Also.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Parents so?
Yeah. Parents
In
have
China?
power. Parents are powerful because parents give a lot of money and
Yeah, I know. So that means your parents arranged your marriage?
yeah.
Oh, really?
But also like not arranged, like they give a lot of support and they force you to get married. They will like tell you every day you are old enough, you should get married.
Suppose, for
Yeah.
example, if you love one of the boy,
Yeah.
it is your parents will be accept.
Yeah. But they can say no and they could like if they think you are not a good pair to get married, they can like ask you to.
Okay. Suppose you don't know one girl, one boy, you never seen a boy, but your parents like this boy, and your parents forced to you get married this boy. You will get married?
That could be like you say maybe our parents or the parents are friends or something.
Uh-huh.
They can do that.
Wow,
And then
interesting.
the children will just obedient to it, will just say yes.
Wow.
But they could get divorced or something. There's
Yeah.
a lot of problems.
Wow. It's similar to the Bangladesh.
Yeah. But also like you can get your own boyfriend or girlfriend and then get married. It's most of the youngers. Like in our generations, we do that a lot.
Wow. Yeah.
Of course.
That is a changing.
Yeah, that is. But still, like parents are so powerful.
Parents is the most of the problem.
Because
So
Chinese parents.
suppose you like a boy, but your parents don't like him, that's why you
Yeah.
cannot get married.
Yeah. Or
Ah.
you will just like you will be, your name will, or like you will get married, but you will get no support from your family,
Uh-huh.
and something like that.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter.
What is the hat say? What is your plan to get married? You want to get
I don't
married?
want to marry.
She doesn't. No,
You don't want to get married?
no. She just wants cats. No.
I just
No,
want cats.
I'm talking about so you want to get married as your family choice or your choice?
My parents want me to marry someone,
So your parents choice?
but I don't want.
You don't
Yeah.
want?
Uh,
That's not already your parents choose someone?
Yeah.
no, I don't know. But
So after
I come
after-
back,
going back in your country, so your parents will tell you, I chose this boy, please get married.
Like
Is it?
her parents choose a lot of boys, ask her to choose.
Oh, you can select. Okay,
Like
okay.
rich boys, like
no,
Interesting. Emotional.
oh, I'm sorry, I'm just
No, no, no,
kidding.
it's-
I'm just kidding. Okay.
太
It
夸
is,
张。
it is also
Exaggerate.
you can do similar in Bangladesh, but it is getting changed, becoming changed because the young generation don't accept this kind of. They like their own girl and boy. Yeah. Wow, interesting. How about you?
I want to marry a Christian.
So your family choice or your choice?
My choice, I think.
Your choice?
Yeah.
Wow, you are the very powerful.
Yeah, I'm poor. A lot of boys are like scared of me or something. I'm too smart for them or something. Actually, boys like simple girls, like city girls. Don't you think so?
Oh,
Right? They boys want to like take control of their girlfriend.
really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I
They
don't
don't
think
want
so.
their girlfriend to be too smart or something.
No, I don't think so.
I think so.
It could be in China maybe.
Also in Japan,
Oh
like
no.
in the world, all
No.
over the world.
Actually, yeah, the man is always the powerful.
Yeah, man wants power.
So man is the powerful. They always want to the under control
Yeah,
by him.
yeah.
That is the as usual. That is the natural.
Uh-huh.
But every girl they have the freedom. They have right to be the freedom. Yeah, something difficulties. So you have to. That is the as usual, the natural. No way. What is this?
Daikon. Oh,
Daikon?
daikon. チョコ
チョコレートみたい
な
匂い
大根水漬け、味噌漬け、
味噌漬け。
味噌漬け、ピンク、
是哟。 这样。
You got chocolate. So the taste of the daikon is chocolate. Chocolate.
Daikon chocolate.
Yeah. Chocolate daikon.
Chocolate daikon.
后面风好大呀。
好的，差不多可以走了。8:40。So like, like in China, like girls are really powerful. They actually their husband or their boyfriend really like listen to them and like to take charge of the things in family or something.
Mhm.
So that makes the Chinese girls too strong, too powerful. I think. Yeah.
贪吃鬼
But in
没有
Japan,
啦
you， can see a lot of housewives or something. They always like the husbands always take charge. No, no.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So,
嗯，
so are you talking about the housewife?
Mm-hmm.
In Japan, maybe 30% housewife
Mm-hmm.
and 70% they are working there.
Yeah.
So, however, one thing I'm really interested. So in China,
Yeah.
I would before marrying,
Mm-hmm.
get together,
Mm-hmm.
living together, it is acceptable.
Yeah, it is acceptable. Some people choose to do so. It's just,
Socially, it is acceptable.
yeah.
我没听。
同居，他问同居的事，结婚之前有人同居吗？
当然啊，
Of
现在
course,
慢慢越来越多。
Oh, really?
Now more and more people choosing to live together before getting married.
Or it is also the rural area and city area both of.
Yeah, both.
Oh, okay.
是呀。
Socially acceptable. But in Bangladesh is not acceptable.
It's not acceptable.
Yeah.
Bangladesh is not acceptable. No.
But someone
Mhm.
really do that. So
Uh-huh.
actually it depends on the
Like not acceptable by what? By society, by their parents,
by the parents.
by their parents.
Basically, and society also sometimes it's make some
Okay.
not easy to take,
Uh-huh.
but
Okay.
it is depend on the religion. Some
Mhm.
big city is okay,
Oh.
but in local area it will be something the odd.
Mhm.
Like
Of course, yeah. Tradition, the society.
yeah,
Like in China, because a lot of young people they go out to other provinces or like big cities for work.
uh-huh.
So, or even like for universities and for schools for work, such things. So they meet different people from different areas.
Uh-huh.
And they can make their choice.
Oh, okay.
And they can like choose a different city to start their own family.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, without like they don't have to live in the same city with their parents. But the powerful parents, they just want to keep their children. Yeah,
Always
right.
take care. Yeah,
Yeah.
Actually, it is depend on the family.
Uh-huh.
Like
Yeah.
some
of
of family there. So another problem is the one family only one kids.
Uh-huh.
So that is the one of the
Yeah,
problem.
that's a problem.
So parents always concern his kids and
Yeah.
they want to take care of this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I know.
I think family like is the
Yeah,
most
big family
important
is no
thing.
problem. Yeah.
Yeah. Family is the most important thing in China, not in Japan. Japan they don't take family as a really
Oh,
important.
Japan is not
No,
no matters.
no. I
What? How do you think they're not mattering?
think the kids when they go to universities, they stop like the parents will just stop supporting them. They will like do part-time jobs to.
No, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Your thinking is okay, but reality is different.
Okay.
Okay, so they are the self-dependent. Like after when they are going to the university, they can do the part-time job. But
And they-
how many percentage people they are self-dependent? Like 20%. But 80% is student they are dependent on their parents,
Oh yeah.
and they have the good relation with their parents,
Uh-huh.
and they are getting money from the parents.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I thought they don't like.
Well,
Japanese
I have a lot of Japanese friends, and I talk with them
Mhm.
many different things, and I ask
Mhm.
them things. So yeah, so I know some of the foreign like our Bangladeshi people also think like you.
Mhm.
Japanese people they don't care about the family. They have no relation, strong relation with the family.
Yeah.
But it is, I think,
Or we can say that the Japanese parents don't like want to control their children
oh yeah,
that much.
actually,
Is
that
that-
that is the
that it?
different case.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm talking about different case, meaning
Uh-huh.
the Japan is a safe country,
Uh-huh.
so parents is not worried
True,
about.
that's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
so suppose you are living in the Tokyo or Hokkaido,
Yeah.
doesn't matter. You are
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you are the safe.
Yeah. Of
Parents
course.
always think, yeah, my kids is safe.
Uh-huh.
That's why they are not worried about. They are not concerned about
Yeah,
this.
exactly, exactly.
Another thing that yeah, that is the main reason I think.
Yeah.
And another thing that that mean that when the people become the adult, so in the basically it is not Japan. If you go into the Europe or America,
Mhm.
they have the constitution rule.
Mm.
You can't force to your kids when they become the adult.
Mm.
That is the constitution rule.
Mm.
So because he's a mature, he has a right to take his decision.
Mm.
Yeah, but in my country and China, I think it is difficult to take decision without parents. Yeah.
It's almost 9 o'clock. We should probably leave. It's 9 o'clock. So like,
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
that is the problem of the developing countries problem.
Oh yeah.
So if China when will be the developed country, Bangladesh will be developed country,
Uh-huh.
Bangladesh and China will be similar in
No, no, no.
Japan.
That's not.
Of course.
That's not like France and Spain. They are not safe. Like people get robbed in the street too.
Uh-huh.
A lot of problems too. It's
Right.
just a different.
Spain?
Yeah. In France.
Huh? No, actually, in Europe is a sum of country.
Uh-huh.
In Europe, in America, is not safe country.
Yeah, they are not
in
safe.
in Europe, there are
Australia
Australia is safe country.
is safe country. Okay.
Australia, New Zealand is very
New
safe
Zealand.
country. Canada is a safe country.
Uh-huh.
But in Europe the same zone there are 29 countries.
Yeah.
Almost you can say 10 up to 10 countries are safe,
Mm-hmm.
but other countries not safe.
Mm-hmm.
German, France, Italy. This is not safe country. There are only the crime, many robbers,
Yeah.
and thieving,
Yeah.
stealing, many things. Many gunmen.
Yeah.
In America, is every day the many gunmen, many rape. It is as usual. But
Which country do you like best? China, Japan,
My country.
your country,
China.
China.
How about the China is the gunmen and crime,
Pardon?
crime and
Crime,
yeah.
crime, 犯罪. Oh God. But it's safe. It's so safe.
Safe.
Yeah, like
No
police.
crime.
A lot of
No
crime.
gunman.
No gunmen.
No gunmen.
Gun
Yeah.
is forbidden there. Yeah.
So
Gun
Okay.
is forbidden.
No, I'm talking about the gunman is the every country is the forbidden, but
Yeah.
I'm talking about the illegal gunmen. So many
Yeah.
criminal
Yeah,
they
criminal.
use the illegally
Uh-huh.
gun. The in Myanmar, Cambodia,
Yeah. I know.
that countries there have a lot of the illegal gunmen.
Yeah.
But China is not
not.
safe.
Safe. Yeah.
Wow. China is safe. The similar Japan.
No, Japan is safer.
Oh, China is safe.
Like if you lost anything in the street, you can find it back, right? Right? In China,
Yeah.
you can like there, you
You
cannot
cannot.
get it back.
Oh.
Yeah, usually. I mean.
Okay. I understand.
Oh, he's drinking water. Are you tired? 他说 OK， we should probably leave. So,
Okay.
okay.
Wow, it was very nice time.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
us here.
But I'm sorry, is
No, no.
Susan is not so. Hashimoto-san is coming.
Oh,
Do you
he's
want to visit
coming?
someone?
Do you want me Hash?
Oh no, Hashimoto-san will be late. Sorry.
What is 球？啊球？哦土
No,
毛
no,
球
it is
哦
okay,
fur
it's okay.
fur fur
It's okay.
it's a fur，
大丈夫？
它应该是那个土毛球。
Uh,
Oh,
要给他们
Hashimoto-san will come back is at midnight.
At midnight, okay.
He's doing hard work.
嗯哼。